Every day on YouTube, over 2 billion views on shorts. Now, why is your shorts not having view then if there are over 2 billion views on shorts? Now, in this video, I'll be sharing with you practical tips on how to upload your YouTube shorts like a pro. Because if there are over 2 billion views on every short every single day here on YouTube, then your own YouTube shorts should be fetching views from those billions of views. Now, you already know that even here on YouTube, you can as well get your YouTube monetized with shorts, not just long form videos. Because on shorts, if you can achieve or fetch over 10 million views within 90 days, then you can as well get your channel monetized with shorts. And this is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. Don't skip any steps so that you don't tell me that you have tried it and it don't work for you. Make sure you do everything or every step I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. I believe you must have seen several videos having 400 million views. Even you'll be seeing massive likes and engagements, and you go ahead to check. There's nothing special about this video. Of course, there is something special about those videos because the way the person optimized that video is what make a difference, and that is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. And now we are going to be making use of our mobile device. So go ahead and open your YouTube app. I mean the main YouTube app. All right. So when you open your YouTube app, at your bottoms, at the center, at your bottom center, click on that plus button. It's going to bring you here. Then go ahead and click on shorts. Okay. Now, when you click on shorts, you're going to, at your bottom left, you're going to see add. Click on that add and it will take you to your phone gallery. Go ahead and select your shot that you want to post. Okay. So now I'm picking this particular shot, then click on next. Now you can choose to trim this shot. You can see you can choose trim it from the beginning or you can trim it from the end, irrespective of maybe you want to remove or unwanted part of that video. After you've done that, click on done and allow the video to process. Now the video is going to bring you here in this place. This place now you are allowed to use text or stickers or filters, especially you ladies that like filters. If you want to use it here, you can go ahead and use it. Like the text, for example, now you can see this video, I already put text on this video, which is women and money. You can just choose to put some captivating text on that video, which you can do here. Okay, so now after you've typed the text, you can choose any color of your choice or anyhow you want it. Now after you've done that, you're going to click you're going to see next down. Okay, go ahead and click on that next. So when you click on next, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now on this place, click on the pen icon on the shorts and then go ahead, select the most important parts. Now most important, see, because this short will be shown in the on the FYP and we want the part that is going to be shown should be a part that is going to capture people's attention. So always learn to use the right or the captivating thumbnails for your, or choose captivating parts for your shorts. Now, I'm going to go ahead and then select the part I want. For example, you can see the part I selected, maybe the part of me throwing something. Then after you've selected, click on the confirm button at your top right. Now, the next thing you now need to do now is to put your title. You put your title. Now, do not skip any part of this video if you want to see results. Okay, so now I'm going to type this gender and money. Then after you've typed it, do not just leave it this way. Now look at YouTube is going to give you option of hashtags. Okay, but I'm going to tell you to only use these two hashtags. No, but the first hashtags you're going to be using is hashtag shorts. Now take a close look at hashtag shorts. Hashtag shorts have over 1.8 billion videos on that FYP, which means we want this our video to be pushed into that area because we want our video to be having the same millions of views that other shorts are having. So we want to push our shorts to that area. So if you can see over 95 million channels are posting their videos to this particular hashtags or using this particular hashtags. So now after you have selected hashtag short, we also need to put another hashtag or use another hashtag, which is hashtag viral. Now if you take a close look at hashtag viral have over 865 million videos on that particular FYP, and over 56 million channels are using this particular hashtag, which means you should not skip this hashtag. So use the hashtag. Okay, now private your video for like 30 minutes or 1 hour. This short now, private it. The reason why is because we want to make sure that everything is not what we did not skip any opportunity or anything. So now you can see public, you can see membership, unlisted or private, but I'm going to leave it in private. Now this video is not for children, so I will say not for children. Okay, now let's go to description. Many of you post without putting descriptions on your shorts. I don't know why. I don't know why so many of you treat your long form video very well, but you don't treat your shorts very well. The same way you can earn on long form video, the same way you can earn on short form video, the same way you can monetize with long form video, the same way you can monetize with short form videos. So you have to take in short, don't take anything for granted. Everything, do the right thing. Okay, when posting your shorts. So now I'm going to type. So this, I'm going to add a keyword like this. This is a family video that showcases dramatic scenes for what? For every home. Meaning I'm already giving the algorithm the sense of this video is what is very entertaining and it is generally consumable, or both adults, children, anybody can watch the video. Meaning the video is just okay for home or family viewing. All right. Now you can choose to add location, or boys, that one is optional. But come to related video. Always connect your video to other video. When you link your shorts to your long form video, automatically you're going to be having two advantage. You're going to be getting view on that short, and you're going to be getting view on the long form video. For example, now let's assume this short is about video. Is about video editing. The short is about what? Maybe how to do voiceover. Then I now have on my long form video how to do voiceover or how to remove background noise. I can link the two of them together, because if you watch my shorts in a long if you watch my short on editing, you might as well like my editing video on long form. All right, so now is when you click on it, it's going to bring you here to select any related video. So I'm going to pick any video of my choice, and when I pick any video of my choice, automatically both long form and short form video will be connected. All right, now always always add your video to playlist. This video now is about this video. Let's assume this video is about editing or is about YouTube. You can choose anyone that best describe the video. So this video now, I'll just choose YouTube and I'll click on done. Then this video is not a paid promotion, so always make sure that you select it and say no, it's not a paid promotion. But if it's somebody that asks you to do it, maybe it's an advert, then you have to say yes. Now let's come to this video is not AI. Okay, do not jump this section. My video is not AI, so I want it to be recommended. So I will say no, it is not AI, so that I don't want it to be limited. Then always use hashtag. Always use tags. Look at the tags I'm using. I'm going to be using like 3 tags here. Many of you don't use tags. You just post your video. You just do this thing without knowing that you are supposed to do some certain things. All right. So you can see hashtag family. Tags family, tags entertainment, and tags family drama. I've just used 3 tags. Then now I can now upload my shorts. Do you see it now? This is how you optimize or upload your shorts the right way on YouTube. Make sure you don't jump you don't skip any part of your videos. And if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button. I actually create videos on YouTube, YouTube tips, video editing tips, and even Facebook tips, which means my channel have got you covered. And if at all you actually want me to make any video for you, like maybe you want me to do something, you have a challenge and you want me to treat that topic, or you want me to make a video on that topic, of course, let me know in the comment section and I will do that. Remember, I told you one of the easiest way you can as well grow your channel is leaving meaningful comments in other people's comment section, because people get to also discover you through your comments. And if you're still, go and watch this video. Do you see this video here? If you're still struggling for watch hours, or you're still struggling for subscriber count, go and watch the video. This video will enable you to know what to do in order to be able to complete your 4,000 watch hours before the 8,000 will roll in, and then how to also get more subscriber. All right, see you in my next video. Bye bye.